Dakota here from Kia St. Catharines from inside the garage. On one of my first videos that we've made here, we discussed how we do oil changes, and I mentioned spring rates on oil filters. Today we're just going to talk about like one of the major issues with that, and aftermarket filters versus OEM. Generally, OEM, whether it's Kia, GM, Ford, doesn't matter. They make these filters specified for their engine specifications. So the spring rate on this oil filter that Kia has made is a lot different from an aftermarket oil filter. And the main reason is because aftermarket oil filters are generic for all vehicles. This particular filter, it fits on a Kia, it fits on a Honda, it fits on multiple other types of vehicles as well, where this one here is designed specifically for Kia. So with that being said, you can definitely tell there's a size difference here on the filters. With the aftermarket filter, what's happening is that spring isn't as strong as a genuine Kia filter, and what that generally causes is what you would call oil starvation, and that can potentially cause catastrophic engine failure, which is something we don't want. So even if you're in a pinch and you need an oil change and we can't squeeze you in right away, please just come to our parts department, grab an OEM oil filter. You can go get it done somewhere else as long as you get this proper oil filter, and that will just prolong the life of your engine itself. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let me like, share, and comment, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see next. Thanks.